Clearborough, North Dallas, 2023 Tesla Model 3 full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, full window film, XR Plus 70 windshield, 30 in the front, 15% in the back, and 15 all across the top. Let's take a walk around the install of the paint protection film and show you what it is we do here at Clearborough, North Dallas. And starting with the emblem is removed, the hood is wrapped with the paint protection film, the Xpel Ultimate Plus. And when we say wrap, we wrap all the edges. So all the edges, even around these headlights, it goes underneath there. Everything gets wrapped in all these corners. And then the emblem goes back on top. And then same thing over here with our fenders, all wrapped in. Everything gets wrapped in. The clarity's nice, no marks, no dirt. All this all wrapped in. A-pillars, mirrors, fully wrapped around the edge. We don't leave an edge on top here. Everything gets wrapped in as far as the A-pillar goes all the way back. Our doors all the way underneath here. Our door handles all the way in. We don't leave it anymore where there's an edge. Coming around our bumper, back over here, get back on track, fully wrapped around all the edges. Our tow hook, fully wrapped in. And coming around over here, our fender, fully wrapped in. Our door, fully wrapped in behind the door, all the way down. The full rocker, everything done. Again, our door handles, fully done. Up top of our doors, all wrapped in under this molding. Everything's nice and seamless, no lines at all. Coming to the fuel area for the electrical port, all wrapped in. All these points and tips, this is all done in one section. So everything looks nice and neat. No dirt lines on this car, and that's about it. So Clearborough, North Dallas, 214-414-3809, clearboroughnorthdallas.com. If you have any questions. This car, again, was Xpel Ultimate Plus, 10-year guarantee in writing. XR Plus, the highest rated heat rejection film on the market. Lifetime guarantee in writing, and the installation on all the products are guaranteed by Clearborough, North Dallas for installation as long as you're the registered owner of the car. Thanks for watching, clearboroughnorthdallas.com.